What was that? Must be the birds again. It's my stomach. I'm hungry. Again! Oh. Oh. Cold. Oh. Oh, cold. Cold. Colby! I'm hungry!
No problem ahead. I will make you some food.
I hope you all liked that video and project. Something a little shorter than usual, but bear with me, I just finished moving. That's why you don't see my lights up here. There's no lights going on right now because I haven't had a chance to put everything up yet. But what we do have is a new mount with 2 monitors. Over here on the left side, you can see my Twitter, @AhaCove. Make sure you follow me. And over here, I have the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. You know the YouTube channel, AhaCove. How'd you get here? Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, continue to embrace the spark.